So it's a beautiful day in California, and I'm going to see if I can fix the trunk today. Okay, so the trunk no longer open. I tried to lift, but it couldn't. Okay, so I bought two buffers from Audi of Arlington, and the part number on this one is 4F5827249B. The thing is, they sold it for $17, but they charged $12.90. So the thing is, I almost returned it because I didn't see the rod coming out of it. Then before I returned, I accidentally looked at in here, and I was going to open this up and see if I can customize it. And guess what? You do the counterclockwise and twist it. It will pop out. Now these are spring loaded. So I bought three 16 rivets, and it's too big for this little hole. So I think 1/8 will do. The goal is to replace this one here with this on both sides. So maybe it will push it up. First thing we need to do is to remove this. And there's a handle here, so this one should be T20. Okay, take this out and pull this one out. So I'll just use a screwdriver to pry it out. Very easy. Let's see if we can open this one without doing all the other stuff. Oh, this one got to come out. So inside here, you should see there are two Phillips screwdrivers. So use one of these to take it out. Okay, so this is the one. We need to drill the 1/8 rivet out and put a new rivet back on. Okay, so we need to drill this out. This is a cheap one. There you go. This side. Is it on?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see if I remove this spring and see if it still works. It does help.
So make sure you loop all of these hinges. And this one really works. All right, try it before you do anything else.